So I came across this app. It's called Joyhub. I saw it on TikTok. People were really jazzing about it, and I decided to do a simple video to actually just help someone to kind of find out what this app really does and what you can use it for and how to use it. Okay. Now this is an app which you can use to control other devices, which you may be using with your partner. Okay, you can add devices, you can control your partner's toys, and also your partner can kind of control your um toy. So both of you can really have control over the toy that you're using, and you can actually chat within the app. It has a simple interface, and what I can recommend you is you can try always to make sure it's updated, to make sure that it works as it should be working. Okay. And just as one of the comments, someone says that you can pick one you like, you can speed up and slow it down. It speeds up or slows down the toy. You can save the ones that you like. You can add friends and chat. You can get points for trying out things and connecting new toys and selling videos, make your friends, etc. So the app is kind of actually fun. So if you are maybe in a long distance or something, I think it's an app that you can really check out and see, how cool it is. Okay. So let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried out Joyhub. And if you're kind of a person who want to discover random apps which really exist in this world, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Bye-bye.